Okay, this is the ASUS FX705G gaming laptop, replacing the screen. I've already starting off with the bezel. I've already taken the bezel off. What you want to do is you want to get a tool like this, or even a guitar pick, or something plastic, or even a credit card, and make your way around an old credit card, expired credit card, and just try and put it between the bezel and the back, and then start one corner and work your way around the top, the sides, and towards the bottom. Very patiently. Try not to do it too firm or quickly, that you might break the plastic pieces or plastic clips inside. Work your way around, and then when you get to these bottom, you've got screw holes, one on the bottom left, one on the bottom right. Undo the screws, and then, well, first of all, actually, you want to remove the taping, the square taping that goes on top of those screws, and then you want to I just zoom in here, over here. So there's a taping, the squared screw cover. You want to unclip that using a tool or a very small screwdriver, and then stick these back onto the bezel so that you don't lose them on both sides. Do that on both sides, and then eventually, you want to remove the bezel. Now the screen here is you've got two plastic heavily adhesive strips on both sides that sticks the screen back onto the back panel. Doesn't use screws. It's a bracketless screen, this is. So what you want to do is you want to get a tool, and you want to carefully place that in between the screen and the back bezel on the back panel, and you want to carefully apply pressure, bringing it forward. That would release those. That would really carefully release the screen from the back panel, and you want to do that between the two sides. I started off by the first side, doing it this way until it all comes all the way off. The strip goes all the way down from there to that down here. Once that has become loose, you want to do the same to the other side till it becomes loose. Same again on the other side. Place it in between the back and the screen, and carefully pull that towards you as it gently releases. Be very patient till it comes off all the way down. Once that's done, that is done, you want to reuse these plastic strips. So basically what you want to do is remove the video lead from the old screen, like so. Now you want to release these clips from the old screen. Apply the same technique as before. Apply pressure and release. It's quite difficult to get this all right underneath the black tape and also the plastic strip. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply some, I'm going to use a heat gun to help me with this. It's quite difficult to get this all right underneath the black tape and also the plastic strip. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply some, I'm going to use a heat gun to help me with this. So you've had the heat gun, I place it on the smallest power level, and gently start from the top and slowly release the tool. Make sure you keep working your way around all the way down the strip, applying a bit of heat, a bit of pressure. There you go. So removed off. Now I want to try and use the tape as well, so I'm also take off the tape as well. Great. Now I'm going to get the, what you do after that is you get hold of the original, get a hold of the new screen. You want to apply this tape onto the new screen. Like so. Then you want to place this strip, plastic strip, like so. Yeah, that's worked. And you want to do the exact same with the other side. Take off the other side of your old screen. apply heat, a small amount of heat to each position, each part. Start from the top, start from one end and then working your way, followed by applying pressure with a tool to release the plastic piece from the screen. Careful not to pull it up towards you too much, okay, so it might break the strip. The last thing you want to do is break the strip because it'll make the job a whole lot more difficult. There you go. And you're going to want to remove the plastic piece. Plastic piece uses another piece on below it, so you've got two levels of plastic and you want to pull both of them off at the same time. There you go. Remove the put the old screen to the side. There you go. There we go. And before you do that, actually you want to test this screen. It was working fine. Next you want to do is pop the VGA lead into the 30-pin EDP slot. and then you want to turn that on. There you go. Screen is working fine, so turn that back off again. And you want to press down the screen. I'm going to do first, actually, I'm going to heat up the adhesive strips a little bit. So after you've done that, you press the screen firmly down so the adhesive sticks onto the back panel, both sides, and it's not loose. Then you put the screws in the top left and right here, and then you get the bezel, and then we'll put the replace. You want to put the bezel back on. Actually, before that, you want to peel the front screen, peel off the screen protector. Like so. Then you put the bezel make sure you place the video cable inside the grooves before you put the bezel back on. Like this. Make sure everything's tucked in cable wise, and then apply the bezel back onto the onto the screen. What you want to do here, you want to work your way around the screen with both hands. Like so. And then you want to, once you've done all that, make sure you go around the perimeter of the screen with both hands. Make sure every clip is clicked into place. Then screw back the laptop. Bottom two screws at the bottom here. You got one here. And one over here. Then you want to apply the screw covers. Be very careful with these because they can easily flick all over the place. The screw covers. That's it, all done. Give it one final test. Turn on the laptop. That's sorted. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and keep posted for future videos like this. Thank you.